Imagine soaring high above, where the world unfolds in a panorama of colors, shapes, and life. Welcome to our journey through the lens of a drone. As our journey begins, we are whisked away over landscapes rich with history and culture. We traverse the country, and each bird's eye view offers an entirely new perspective. These views, once reserved for the birds, are now ours to explore. From the glistening peaks to the bustling cities, each location holds a story waiting to be told. Let us begin where nature is most raw and powerful, the mountains and rivers. Our journey takes us to the majestic Colorado, home to snow-capped peaks that stand as silent sentinels against the sky. Pikes Peak, a towering giant, greets the dawn with a blanket of white, while Mount Lemmon, Camelback Mountain, and Humphreys Peak add their unique contours to this rugged landscape. Now we descend from these lofty heights to explore the lifeblood of the land, the rivers and lakes. The mighty Mississippi River, a twisting serpent of water, carves its path through the heart of America. Nearby, Lake Pontchartrain shimmers under the sun, a mirror reflecting the sky. Each of these natural wonders tells a tale of the land's past, present, and future. These stunning natural features form the backbone of our country, but it's in the cities where the heartbeat is most palpable. From quiet natural landscapes, we plunge into the vibrant city life. The transition is as much a shock as it is a delight, as we find ourselves amidst towering skyscrapers and bustling streets. The city skylines, each with its distinct personality, come into view. Las Vegas dazzles with its neon lights, a city that never sleeps. Los Angeles, the city of angels, casts a spell with its palm-fringed boulevards and iconic Hollywood sign. Tampa, Florida shows off its sparkling waterfront and thriving downtown, while Atlanta, Georgia impresses with its modern architecture and lush greenery. Orlando, Florida, home to dreams and magic, enchants with its theme parks and vibrant colors. And then there are the sidewalks, the veins of these urban jungles. The hustle and bustle of New York City, the jazz-infused charm of Bourbon Street in New Orleans, all pulsating with life, stories, and endless possibilities. Each city, a unique blend of culture and architecture, is a testament to human creativity. Our journey would not be complete without visiting the iconic landmarks that define our nation. Let's begin with the Superdome in New Orleans, a modern-day coliseum where epic battles of sport and entertainment unfold. Then we travel to the 24-mile-long bridge in Louisiana, a marvel of engineering that connects communities across Lake Pontchartrain. Next we find ourselves amongst the glittering casinos of Biloxi, Mississippi, where fortune favors the bold. A little further north, we pay homage to the king of rock and roll at Graceland in Memphis, and marvel at the spectacle that is Disney World in sunny Florida. We then ascend Stone Mountain in Georgia, a testament to the power of nature and time. Our journey concludes at the USS Alabama Battleship Memorial Park, a floating fortress that whispers tales of courage and sacrifice. These landmarks, both natural and man-made, tell the tale of our rich history and diverse culture. As our journey draws to a close, let's take a moment to reflect. Let's rewind the tape and journey back to the awe-inspiring mountains that touched the skies, the rivers that flowed with an indomitable spirit, and the tranquil lakes that mirrored the heavens above. Remember the city skylines that twinkled under the night sky like 1,000 stars on Earth, the hustle and bustle of the busy sidewalks that echoed the rhythm of life. We soared over the snow-capped peaks of Colorado, the neon lights of Las Vegas, and the sun-kissed beaches of Tampa, Florida. Let's cast our minds back to the majestic Pikes Peak, the quiet serenity of Gulf shores, the industrious tugboats on the Mississippi River, and the offshore oil drilling rigs standing tall against the horizon. Think back to the iconic Superdome in New Orleans, the 24-mile-long bridge in Louisiana that seemed to stretch into infinity, and the serene Lake Pontchartrain. We've seen the charm of Abita Springs, the thrill of Biloxi's casinos, the legendary Graceland in Memphis, and the vibrant Bourbon Street teeming with life. We've witnessed the magic of Disney World, the grandeur of Atlanta's skyline, the beauty of Stone Mountain, and the historical significance of the USS Alabama Battleship Memorial Park. From the mountains to the cities, from the rivers to the landmarks, we've journeyed together through the vastness of our beautiful nation. Until next time, keep exploring and remember, the world is waiting for you.